In this video, we review how to add a group series endpoint to a RealConnect environment and to the Polycom collaboration infrastructure software. Start by using the Exchange Admin Center. Select the Resources menu and click the plus symbol to add a new room mailbox. Enter your room name and alias. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Next, open the Active Directory Users and Computers snap-in on your server. Navigate to the Users folder and locate the new mailbox user you just created. Right-click on the username and select Reset Password. Once you input the new password and confirm password values, click OK. You will see a message that the password changed. Click OK to dismiss this message. Right-click on the username again and select Enable Account. A pop-up window informs you that the account is now enabled. Click the OK button. To set the password to never expire, right-click on the mailbox and select Properties. In the Account tab, check the box next to Password Never Expires. Click OK to complete this step. To start provisioning your group series, open the Group Series web interface. Go to Admin Settings, Servers, Directory Servers. Select LDAP for server type. Enter the proper server address, username, and password. Save your changes. The registration status changes to read Registered. Now select Provisioning Service on the left side of the interface and check the box next to Enable Provisioning. Set the server type to RPRM. This will direct the device towards your RealPresence Resource Manager. Next, enter the proper domain name, username, password, and server address. Click Save. Your registration status changes to Registered. Next, you can see that your group series has been set up properly by going to the Resource Manager interface. Select Endpoints, then Monitor View. Your group series will appear in the list. Allow a few minutes for the status to update to Registered. This concludes how to add a group series endpoint.